Hi all, welcome to the demo of Banker's AI Assistant, an intelligent copilot that is built to help bankers. Whether a customer walks into the branch or calls on the phone, this assists the banker throughout the conversation. This intelligent copilot is built with 8 individual agents that work together. What stands out is its memory, as in it saves the key relationship signals from every conversation and saves it to a profile so that this can be used from a history. And then it helps bankers to give suggestions smartly so that it gets smarter with every session. Let me just quickly explain you on the panels that are sitting right now on my screen here before I just start the session. So this voice sentiment gives the sentiment analysis of the voice, and if I turn my camera on, it'll analyze the facial expressions of the customer and gives sentiment analysis. And then this fraud checks get triggered as soon as the transcript gets SSN of the customer, and then if it passes, then it does the phone ownership check as, and then it does the credit risk check and the OTP verification too. Once the identity check is verified, this customer accounts panel is pre-filled with the customer accounts, and then throughout the whole conversation, as the conversation flows in, this panel is detected with the live events from the conversation, and this does the compliance checks of the customer in terms of regulatory compliance check. And then the live activity tab that you see here has log, which shows the log live activities that are going on, as in what happened now and what is going to happen next. And then this coach tab, where AI gives suggestions to the banker, actually real time, on when to pitch a product, when to show empathy as such. And then the action tab captures the action items as they emerge from the conversation. So before I start the session, since I'll be the only actor, I'll be impersonating a profile called Priya Nair, and then I will speak for a minute as Priya Nair for the live transcript to trigger with the conversation details. As soon as I start a session, I'll turn my camera on for this one to trigger with the facial analysis as such. Hi, I am Priya Nair, and then I'm an existing customer. I would like to discuss some investment options today, and then my social security number is 567890123. And then you can reach me out on my phone at 408-221-9876. I was looking about my retirement planning, also some home purchase options. Can you please help me out with that? I'm also looking for um, a joint account opening for my spouse as well. Okay, let's just see what happened. If you see at the top, this relationship memory has pulled up all the conversational history from the few previous sessions as well. And then if you see, this gives the video feed, this gives the voice sentiment that really happened as such. And then this live transcript has all the lively transcripted data. If you see the fraud checks, it said the customer has found in the DB, and then it said Priya Nair, the phone ownership match, the credit risk passes, and then this customer accounts panel is filled with the customers account details as well. And this live events got triggered with the uh, with whatever that we have spoken on whatever retirement planning. If you see all of this, that it is pulled up with the live events. And then it also did the compliance checks in the live activity tab in the log. If you see, let me just pull it up. You see Priya is invested, Priya is interested on this as such. It gives a live thing, SSN captured, everything as such. In the coach tab, it will give suggestions for the banker on what to do, and in the actions tab, you'll see what the customer banker has to do next. And then as soon as I click on the end session, it will generate the full summary of the visit as such. It will give any cross sell action items, follow up task, everything that the banker banker would need actually. And then I'll just click on the end session. You will see the visit summary. You will see the issue and resolution action items for the banker, and then the notes for the banker too. Okay, I'll just close this tab. And then if you come back to this DB integration that we have done, you will see this increasing to the meeting count 4. So this is a real-time SQL database integration that we have done, not a simulated that we have done. So with that, I would like to go ahead and give a closure. Just that every customer interaction will get smarter if every banker has this copilot, and then the banker can stay focused on the customer so that AI can handle everything else. Thank you so much.